Yeah, I don't know how to do this.
All right.
You're going to have a wicked hard time. You don't know what you're doing.
I'm Tyler.
I'm Cavin, and today we're going to be racing to put these quick straps on these fly racing helmets.
3, 2, 1, go.
Gotta stretch them out first, bud.
Dog, I have no idea. Literally don't know. I don't know what that means. You want me to stretch it?
Yeah. Now you gotta put it through the goggle.
Going this way?
You gotta take the thing off.
Take what thing off?
This thing.
I got one. Oh, you got both of them on? Okay, well, I didn't know there was a guard on it, so. You got different ones. Oh, no, they're the same one. I got one on.
These quick straps are super easy. If you don't want them, flip them around. If you want them on, flip them back. Super easy. They are running $20. Get them at Team.
One eternity later.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just give it to you.
That's right, dog. I got it.